Hello everyone, how to towards back with another new video, and in this video I'm going to tell you an app. It's called Messenger and crypto wallet. So Messenger is an unofficial Telegram API based client with crypto wallet. So you can see the rating of the app 4.4 out of 5 and 53k reviews, and 50 megabyte size of the app, and 1 million plus people already downloaded this app. So here is some screenshot. You can see it's look like this appearance look like a telegram. You can see it's like a telegram. If you already use telegram, then you know very well about this app. It's really professional, and there are some ratings and reviews. If you want, then you can read on the very good app because they are rating 4.4. So simply click install, and it takes a moment to install in your device. So okay friend, I hope this video was helpful for you. So today's number, and thank you for watching.